guys, welcome to 2022. It's time for another channel update, give you guys an idea of where this channel's going, how we're doing, and so on. So we just hit 4,000 subscribers, and I will be doing that drawing here fairly soon. I will be linking to the video that I'm going to be pulling your comments from in order to do that raffle down below. It'll probably be in the comments as well as in the video description, so check there. As you'll notice, my shop looks a little bit different and it's not done yet, so we've got a couple more weeks and then I'll make a video on the update on everything that I've changed in the shop, but I figured I'd give you a quick preview. Don't forget that if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. Every 1,000 subscribers is going to be entered into a drawing to win either some Ridgid Tools or Amazon gift cards. Now, I've got two different types of Amazon gift cards. One is a $25 gift card, the other is $100. And what I do is I actually just put them in a bag and mix them up, and I just pull one out of the bag if you decide an Amazon gift card. So you got a chance between $25 and $100 for that, or some really good tools. I've got a circular saw, which is worth about $150. I've got 3 of the Ridgid palm drivers, which aren't available anymore. However, they're really useful, especially if you're building cabinets, doing any kind of tight work, like model railroading, for example. And then I've also got a cordless sander available as well. And if you're not a Ridgid tool user, that's cool. That's what the Amazon gift cards are for. So anyway, without further ado, coming up on this channel this year, I've got at least 3 different model railroads in stages. One I am starting literally in about an hour. That is going to be an 18 by 25 3-deck HO layout. Which does not have a helix. It's called a Nolix. So what that means is the layout actually goes around the room 3 times and slowly raises in grade as it goes up. It's going to be a really interesting build, and I hope you tune in for that. The next one is also going to be HO. That's also going to be a 3-deck build. That one does have a helix. That one's a little smaller. I think that one's 18 by 12. And then somewhere in the middle of there, I'm actually going to be putting an addition onto the big O-gauge layout that I built a couple years ago. So I'll be adding a 6-track storage yard into the middle of the 12 by 40 foot layout, and I'll be taking you along the whole way to show you exactly how I'm doing every step of the process. And part of that is specifically because I had one viewer specifically asked me to go into lots and lots of detail on how to lay O-gauge tracks, specifically Gargraves and Ross track. So I'm going to do that for you guys. So, you know, I do pay attention to your comments. I do usually reply to them as well. If you have a video idea, leave it down below. If you just want to win one of the prizes as we're advancing towards our 15,000 subscriber goal, go ahead and leave a comment on all the videos of mine that you watch, and make sure you're subscribed because only subscribers can win. Now, it doesn't cost you anything to enter. All you got to do is watch the videos, subscribe, and make a comment every once in a while. And don't forget that when we do hit 15,000 subscribers, I'm giving away a $5,000 layout. Now, what that means is that could be track planning, that could be building the layout. The only thing that you have to pay for is shipping. So that's a pretty sizable layout. So in most cases, that's somewhere around an 8 by 10 or 8 by 12 room. And then it varies on the complexity of the layout, but you know, that's a heck of a lot of money for nothing but subscribing and leaving a comment on a video every once in a while. So in the meantime, as we advance towards 5,000 subscribers, be on the lookout for a video for the 4,000 subscriber winner. I will be making that drawing here in the next week. So make sure you comment now so you make sure you can hit up on that 4,000 subscriber window. And then as we get closer towards the 15,000 subscribers goal, we will be advancing those drawings to include comments from every single video I've ever made. So keep commenting. The more comments that you make, the more entries you have, so to speak. So with that said, welcome to 2022. I hope you enjoy what I've got coming to you, and you know, have a great one. Bye.